Good afternoon, friends. For our math journal today, we're going to look at which has more. The directions are count the objects in the first box. So we're going to look right here in the first box to start. Then color the picture that has more. Now, I'm going to remember that the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to add my name to the top. Okay. Now again, those directions are count the objects in the first box. Color the picture that has more. So let's look at this first one together. On the wheelbarrow, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pumpkins. So I'm going to write the number 4. There are 4 pumpkins in the wheelbarrow on this one. Okay, now I want to decide which has more. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. There's 3 here. I'm going to write the number 3 around the tree, around the tree. That's how you make the number 3. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pumpkins here. So 7. And then just to be sure, let's count the last one. 1, 2. On this last one, there are only 2 pumpkins. Okay, so let's go back to that first one. I have 4. 4. So 3, 7, 2. 7 is the bigger number. So there are 7 pumpkins in that middle one. I know I'm going to color 7 because 7 is more than 4. My greater gator would want to chomp up this group of 7. Okay, my friends. So you're going to do the rest by yourself. You'll count the acorns by the squirrel, the apples, the birds on the scarecrow, and the seeds in the pumpkin. So remember, you count each group, and then just so you remember how many there are, write the number 2, just like I did on the pumpkins. Then count each group and decide which has more than our group at the beginning of the row. Okay, friends, do your best, and we will see you back here for our science lesson.